on golf. This is just a little drill I thought I'd share with you. I picked it up a ways back, but it works great, especially for irons, wedges, just to improve on impact where you're hitting the ball. And it's just a mat. I use this in the winter when the ground starts getting super hard. But put a little tape around like this, and I just wrap it around so it doesn't move too much. But if you hit it, you'll know, because you'll just rip it off. And that's the good thing about it, because you'll get feedback. And the reason is because when people go play or practice, they hit, but no matter where they hit, the ball, this club will slide like this, and the ball goes in the direction they want to. But when they go play in the actual golf course, they can't do that because the club won't allow it. They'll hit dirt and they get stuck. But on the driving range, you can get away with hitting here and dragging the club and still manage contact. But this is good because it gives you instant feedback on where you're hitting the golf club. And the goal is just to put the ball right there and try to miss the tape. Let's see if I can do it. Because otherwise you'll hit here flat. Like that. And the goal is to hit the ball first and not the ground. But ideally, see? Instant feedback. That just means that I hit the tape. And the best part about this is you take some more tape. And you do it again. There you go. Again. This is about a 50-yard shot here, but there we go. About 50 yards. Golf, give it a try. Instant feedback.